I generate voice in zero point 0.7 seconds. Locally, free, on a Mac, no cloud, no subscription, no latency. This is what runs on my machine instead of ElevenLabs. It's called Kakoro. It's an open-source TTS model, 82 million parameters, optimized for Apple Silicon using MLX, 54 voices. American, British, Spanish, French, Japanese, Hindi, Italian, Chinese. And it runs through a local API, same interface as OpenAI's TTS endpoint. One line of curl. Here's how we set it up. One Condo environment, one pip install, one server command. The server runs on port 8010 and stays running in the background, always on. Now the interesting part, we have 54 voices in the model. We generated all of them in under a minute. Same sentence, same hardware, every voice. The one we picked for this channel is Afhart, American female, natural, not robotic. You're listening to it right now. So how does it actually compare? We tested 4 options. macOS say, built-in, 0 setup. 0 cost, you know what it sounds like, that's a hard no for anything public. Dia, new model from ElevenLabs, the most realistic local TTS we've heard. Emotions, breath pauses, genuinely impressive. But on an M2 Mac, 6 minutes to generate 1 sentence. Not a typo, 6 minutes. Dia needs a GPU with CUDA. M2 is not that. ElevenLabs, Cloud API. Verdict, for offline work, video production, prototyping, Kakoro is the answer. Free, fast, 54 voices, no API key. For the highest quality, a podcast, a client deliverable, anything that needs to sound perfect, ElevenLabs still wins. Dia is the future. When someone ships an MLX port, it will be the best local option by a wide margin. Not yet. We're building more of this. Follow to see what breaks next.